Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize the software version and keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings and tap on System and Updates. Scroll down to the very bottom to find developer options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down a little bit and find automatic system updates. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.